Ukuba le ndlela ndingayo iyahlupha ngicela uxolo, endingazoyenza kuphuma indlela ezirongo, indlela ezirongo. Ukuba le ndlela ndingayo iyahlupha ngicela uxolo, endingazoyenza kuphuma indlela ezirongo, indlela ezirongo. Ukuba le ndlela ndingayo iyahlupha ngicela uxolo, endingazoyenza kuphuma indlela ezirongo, indlela ezirongo.
They don't like, they just hate, they want you to change. Bazoqina ngamaqhinga bengathi ukwi-cage. Dedication on my music, that's what I prefer. Just because they know me, they started to hate. Maybe ziyakofenda indlela zami, then I'm sorry. Xa kuphela amaqhinga ndimi nami undifake ishori. If you hate what I've been doing, then behind andiboni. And I've made my decisions, ke ngazwa ndisoli. Ngicela senze so, ufake izolo ntshintshe iflow. Bawuthande ndiyenzayo, better do your own. The fact that they know ba next week in their draw ba fall londe benza umona abanye bandicaphukele mo.
Ngiphilela ubomi bami, ndizoyela ingaba zami, ndiziphushela umculo wami. If ke loo nto iyakuhlupha ndiyazi, phathana ngxaki buhleba ngami. Do it more if you like it. Chetinyano bukoki, doesn't matter kum still answer mindy. I always know they will drop behind my back. Yes, I even know my name is always on topic. Laughing over me early in the morning. Their love for me is keeping growing big. Yeah, yeah, balloon, yeah. Yeah, yeah, balloon, yeah. Babetu, yeah, yeah, balloon, yeah.
Hey,
Yeah, yeah, balloon, yeah.
kanza uhamba indlela ezilongo, uzawuba Chris Boom, Office zawungena i-trunk, emzalini zawuba sisiphoqo. Community ayizodinga twice, izawundenza bhingu. Imagine on the street, sebethi uyaqamba umbuso. I'm sorry, I'm not ready, I don't think I'll be ready ever, wemngani. Ngcono ngibeke isiphoxo kwena, aye bazalini. Masungithinta ngifuna uwazi ukuthi izokhala epalini. Cause yakhe indaba vele mina angisayingeni. I try to cruise away, kulokuthi ngisangena. Hey, awuthi nami ngdead. Hey, awuthi nami ngdead.
Ukuba le ndlela ndingayo iyahlupha ngicela uxolo, endingazoyenza kuphuma indlela ezirongo, indlela ezirongo. Ukuba le ndlela ndingayo iyahlupha ngicela uxolo, endingazoyenza kuphuma indlela ezirongo, indlela ezirongo.